Hello everyone, this is Karthik. Once again, welcome you to my channel. Today we discuss mostly all about arrays and command and arguments. Straight away we go to the topic. As we all know, earlier programming languages like C, C++, Java, or say Python, all languages has a concept of array. Array is a kind of data structure which stores the objects in contiguous memory locations. In the perspective of Java, we should say array is a collection of what? Objects. Collection of objects. What kind of objects it can collect? It can collect integer objects, float objects, Boolean objects, long objects, string objects. Sometimes it can be collection of real-time objects like collection of items, collection of employees, say collection of mobiles, etc. Like we all know, array needs a specific size to create during the declaration of array. Whenever we declare array, we need to create a size. Unlike in other languages, array declaration is created in this way. Say int a of 100 or char ch of 20, or say something like items of say 30, something. So this is the way how we declare the size of the array in a subscript. This is called subscript. But Java is something which we need to create the instance of an object by allocating memory for that object. Like C++ creates arrays using a new operator. Like Java also creates array with the help of new operator. So new operator is used to allocate memory for a particular object. How? We just see an example or syntax. So integer space say object I equals to new int of 10. This is something like an array of 10 integers. New is the operator which allocates memory for the array of 10. It may be each of say 4 bytes depending upon the compiler specific. The same manner, float f equals to new float of say 20. Sometimes the subscript can be even be given right side, or I can give left side, or I can give subscript beside the primitive, or beside the object, or post object. Like we can even create items. Say example, item array, say array equals to new item of say 10 items. Likewise, I can say an employee space. See, this is not the representation that Java supports. We should not give subscript like this. We should give the value after allocating using a new operator. So new employee of 20. Never use this kind of symbol, like never use curly brackets, always use square brackets while you declare array. Unlike when you create object in Java, like you use employee space emp equals to new employee, where you use curly brackets to create an object. This is something like yesterday we have discussed, right? Which is a constructor. A constructor is something which is represented in terms of curly brackets. But when you declare an array, array is represented in square brackets. This is all the different declarations of array.